Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Earn $100 per day with these free tools. Make money online in 2025. No investment needed. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the many opportunities available for anyone eager to earn online, even if you currently have no experience and no financial investment to start. Let's unpack these methods and set you up for success in 2025. First on our agenda are digital products. Creating templates in Google Docs or Canva can be incredibly profitable. Items like budget planners, workout trackers, or invoice templates are always in demand. After creating your product, you can sell them on platforms such as Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip, enabling you to earn passive income with little initial effort. As an example, imagine selling 3 budget trackers per day at $5 each. This simple venture could net you $450 a month. One of the most straightforward options to begin with is utilizing microtask platforms, which allow you to earn money by completing small online jobs. Websites such as Remotasks, Clickworker, and Amazon MTurk feature various tasks you can complete at your convenience, including identifying objects in images and transcribing short audio clips. Each task may only yield a few cents, but as you complete more, these earnings will accumulate significantly. It's important to maintain accuracy and reliability in your work. These factors can lead to unlocking higher paying opportunities as your performance improves. This approach provides a consistent way to generate income while working from literally anywhere. Another incredible method to generate income online without upfront costs is through faceless YouTube automation. This process allows you to create content without ever appearing on camera, making it accessible for anyone who prefers to stay behind the scenes. First, you'll need to write a compelling script. Services like ChatGPT can help streamline this process for you. Next, gather stock footage from free resources like Pexels or Pixabay to complement your script visually. For narration, free AI voiceover tools such as TTS MP3 or 11 Labs will create professional-sounding audio for your videos. Once everything is compiled, use editing software like CapCut or Canva to bring it all together before uploading your finished product to YouTube. It's all about finding a niche that resonates with your audience, whether that's finance, motivation, or technology reviews. With just a modest following of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can tap into monetization through AdSense and leverage affiliate marketing to boost your earnings even further. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. No investment, no need for a personal brand, and the ability to operate entirely online. To further enhance your income potential, consider taking advantage of affiliate marketing. This strategy requires minimal effort and no initial investment, making it ideal for beginners. Start by signing up for a free affiliate platform, like ClickBank or Digistore24, where you can choose products that have both high commissions and positive reviews. Next, utilize ChatGPT to create engaging content that revolves around the affiliate product you've chosen. This could be a helpful blog post, a tutorial video, or even informative social media posts. Sharing your content on platforms like Facebook groups, Quora, or Reddit will help reach an audience that may benefit from these products. For instance, if you're promoting a budgeting app, write a post titled, "How I Saved Money Using This Free App," and include your unique affiliate link. This approach personalizes the experience and encourages potential customers to engage, all while boosting your chances of making conversions. Building genuine connections and providing value in your posts will enhance your credibility and lead to higher click-through rates. The key is to stay consistent and be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships while sharing your live insights. There's an exciting strategy that brings in income through freelance services powered by AI, which is a fantastic option for those without specialized skills. By harnessing tools like ChatGPT alongside other free resources, you can offer a range of services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. For example, you could provide blog post writing using ChatGPT, create eye-catching resumes through a combination of Canva and ChatGPT, or compose Instagram captions that engage followers effectively. Email marketing drafts can also benefit from this approach, allowing you to deliver tailored content to clients. The key here is not merely selling AI's capabilities but instead demonstrating how this technology can save time and produce high-quality results for your customers. Starting with affordable services to build up your reviews is essential. Once you establish proof of your quality, don't hesitate to raise your rates to reflect your expertise. This strategy not only positions you as a knowledgeable resource but will also lead to establishing repeat clients who appreciate the efficiency and results you provide. As your reputation grows, consider branching out and offering even more complex services that your existing client base might find beneficial. The income potential is significant, and leveraging the capabilities of AI will set you apart in a competitive online landscape. As you adopt this multifaceted approach to earning income online, keep in mind the importance of being authentic and continually learning. People are not only looking for specific services, but they also want to trust the individual behind the work, so make your personal journey part of the narrative. This will add a relatable touch and can create stronger connections with your clients as you share insights from your experiences. Bonus strategy: documenting your journey as you explore these money-making opportunities can be both fulfilling and lucrative. Sharing your progress with others not only builds your audience but also holds you accountable, enhancing your motivation to succeed. Whether through engaging TikTok videos, informative blog posts, or concise Twitter threads detailing your experiences, your journey becomes a part of your brand. People appreciate authenticity, and by being transparent about your ups and downs, you foster trust with your audience. This trust can transform into monetary opportunities in the future, as followers may become customers eager to engage with your insights or products. As we wrap up this video, remember that making money online in 2025 with zero investment is not just a dream, it's entirely feasible. By focusing on one method at a time and dedicating yourself to it for a month, you can build the momentum needed to generate income effectively. Make every action count, and let that consistent effort pave the way for your financial success. So, be proactive with the strategies we discussed, and watch your online endeavors flourish. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing your progress in the next video. As you embark on this journey, remember that the digital landscape is ever evolving, and your success hinges on adaptability. Stay informed about the latest trends and continuously refine your approach based on your experiences. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the milestones, however small, as each step contributes to your growth. Your dedication today can yield remarkable rewards tomorrow. Keep pushing forward, and believe in your potential to create a sustainable income online. Thank you for being with us, and let's achieve these goals together. If this video helped you out, please share it with a friend, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your engagement not only encourages us but empowers more individuals to discover these invaluable opportunities. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.